Today we're going to French embassy. I need to register the check for my license, and also want to vote next year for the presidential. So I need to register for that. Makati fun. Traffic. It's 8 o'clock. Enjoy. French embassy was nice, really straightforward. As I'm registered in London embassy, so they just have to transfer my files. That's it. So really good, straightforward. Shit, I just break it. Back down. Tous les jours. Tous les jours. Every day. French bakery. Just finished lunch now. We're just gonna hang out in Makati and doing some tourist stuff. Just gonna visit a bit. I just sorted out my license to translate in French by those Alliance Française things. Basically the school of French. You can learn French. Then what else? I need to take that license to the French embassy so they can translate it. Then I can bring this to the LTO. It will be more easy to actually pass the test straight away from LTO in a month, but at least now I can actually how do you call this? Ah, fuck's sake. It's 4 o'clock. I just pick up the camera now. we're going to the bingo. Not really sure what to expect. Really bored. Bingo is not as fun as I thought. If you clean it properly and you make a restaurant downstairs and you make a bedroom upstairs to sleep, depends how much is it.
So if you do the $10,000 payment, it's 6 months to pay.
Yeah.
And then 15 years to pay for the entire 10 years, 15 years.
Maybe you can check how much is it and give them cash.
It's not, and it's from the bank. Maybe the owner doesn't have money to pay off.
Yeah. So there's actually a lot of bedroom in there. It's quite a big house. So I was even thinking about if we refurbish a little bit, it's not a bad area to. It's a pretty good area to be honest. And if you refurbish a bit, put some paint, you can even rent it to the student. It all depends basically how much. So this is a bank, I think. So it all depends on how much the bank wants from it, you know, how much they really want and how much you're gonna have to pay every month. But some idea of investment, why not? $8,000, you could buy a new L3.
Oh, you can put a lock.
Yeah, we could put the lock at the door.